You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary, many mispronounced, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Haphazard is how it's said in British English. Haphazard. Haphazard. Stress on that second syllable. Haphazard. Now in American English it's generally said as haphazard. Haphazard. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.